Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, terms we hear all the time. But what exactly are they? And how do they relate to one another? In this video, we'll break down the key differences and how these technologies fit together. Let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the broadest concept. It refers to any machine or system that can mimic human intelligence. This includes problem-solving, learning, and adapting to new information. AI encompasses everything from basic rule-based systems, like the old chess programs, to more advanced systems like self-driving cars. Next, we have machine learning. Now, this is a subset of AI. Instead of programming a machine with specific rules, in machine learning, we teach machines to learn from data. It's like giving them thousands of examples so they can figure out patterns and improve over time. Think of it as the ability of machines to learn without being explicitly programmed for every task. A great example is your email spam filter. It doesn't know every spam email in advance, but over time, it learns to recognize patterns in the messages you mark as spam. The more data it processes, the better it gets at filtering your emails. Now let's dive deeper, literally, with deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning uses structures called neural networks, modeled loosely after the human brain. These networks can process huge amounts of data and uncover intricate patterns. This is what powers advanced technologies, like facial recognition, and even voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. Deep learning is unique because its algorithms can automatically determine which features are important for analysis without human intervention. This makes it extremely powerful for tasks like image recognition or natural language processing. So to sum it up, AI is the broad idea of machines mimicking human intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of AI where machines learn from data, and deep learning is a further subset of machine learning where neural networks help computers learn from massive data sets. Hopefully that clears up the differences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech breakdowns like this one. Thanks for watching.